This week's Graduate Spotlight is on Mckinzie Green of Manvel High School.
She's a solid student. Everybody likes her. She has no enemies. She's got a great personality. Everybody, when she walks the halls, everybody knows that that's Mckinzie Green, and she's a high quality basketball player. And so, she's kind of the total package.
I wish I had more students like Mckinzie. She is a leader. Not just on the court, but obviously in the classroom, and she's always happy to be here.
Well, I think everybody around me, my parents, my trainers, and my coaching staff and my teammates, they keep me very humble, I should say, because people get cocky at times, and then that's when they start just not working hard. So I try to stay humble at all times and keep on working hard and keep my grades up and just doing everything that I can to be as successful as I can and get to the WNBA.
Green's dream will first have a stop in College Station. She signed to play as a Lady Aggie for Texas A&M.
A&M is just a special place. I love the family atmosphere. I love the coaching staff, the players. And Coach Blair is an amazing coach, and he's had so many great point guards throughout his years of coaching. I just want to be the greatest point guard to ever play for him.
She plans on majoring in communications with hopes of becoming a sports analyst. Some of her classmates share that desire, having fun on camera in the halls talking about Green's impact.
Okay, so, my whole career, Mckinzie, she's been a role model to me. But, like Mckinzie never hugs me, for some reason. Fifth round when we lost, I was really upset. I was crying a lot. And it really, touched my heart when she came to me and hugged me and told me I played a good season. And, that was my last time playing with Mckinzie, so it meant a lot.
She's done a great job of being a leader, being the alpha dog, the best player on the court in many cases, and academics, leadership, high character kid, and those those things make me very, very proud.
It's flown by fast. I still remember my freshman year. It feels like it was yesterday actually, so it's flown by so fast. I didn't think it would fly by this fast as everybody says it would.
She's a phenomenal athlete, but even more so, just a great student, an awesome young lady, and whatever path she decides to go down, she's going to be successful.